Hey ChatGPT, give me the best trading strategy to make $100,000.
There is no one best trading strategy that can guarantee a profit of $100,000. Yada yada yada.
Welcome back to another Humble Trader video. We have a very special video today. I'm going to be using ChatGPT to generate a trading bot with automatic entries, take profit, and stop loss. Oh my god, this almost sounds too easy. ChatGPT is the newest and the hottest kid on the block right now. Everyone on YouTube is talking about how to make $1,000 with ChatGPT. And as a day trader, of course, I cannot miss out on these potential profits. I want to know if ChatGPT can generate the best trading strategy and the best trading bot to trade $100,000 capital. So in this video, I'll be testing out various strategies and AI trading bots with ChatGPT and TradingView. You're going to learn how you can use ChatGPT to create a simple trading bot using indicators for your entries and exits, how you can backtest your strategies step by step, and finally, I'll show you the performance of ChatGPT strategies and whether the bot was actually profitable or not. As of right now, ChatGPT is still not that easy to use. I spent the entire day trying to figure out how to ask the bot some simple questions so it will give me exactly what I'm looking for. And of course, there's implementing the code to create these strategies. And I even upgraded to pay $20 a month to OpenAI to create this video. So if you appreciate the effort, please remember to smash the like button and follow along on this journey. ChatGPT is an advanced AI bot by OpenAI. The bot is able to hold conversations with users, generate resumes, write essays, codes, blogs, and much more. But the million-dollar question is, can this AI bot create a strategy to trade $100,000? Can you trade stocks for me and make $100,000? Oh my god, here we go. Okay.
There's no single best strategy to make $100,000.
Oh my god, sounds like my mom. Okay, so clearly asking it straight up for a strategy, it's not going to work. But that's okay, because there are two platforms that a lot of traders are using to create custom codes, strategies, and scripts to help with their trading. And those platforms are TD Thinkorswim and TradingView. Since TradingView is my absolute favorite online-based charting platform, that's what we'll be using today along with ChatGPT. So for those who don't know, TradingView is a free online-based charting platform. They also have a proprietary programming language called Pinescript, which allows you to backtest strategies and create custom codes and indicators. And don't worry, I have like zero coding knowledge. So if this grandma over here can figure this coding crap out, you're gonna be okay. So we're gonna do that with the help of ChatGPT. So once you're on the OpenAI platform here, you're gonna click Try ChatGPT. So you're gonna see it here. You're gonna see the two models. Default is the free version, but for the sake of this video, I upgraded to Turbo, which has like optimized data and like speed and everything. So we're gonna ask, can you code in Pinescript? Remember, that's the proprietary language on TradingView that we can use to create a lot of custom scripts or strategies. Okay, so ChatGPT is the AI is able to code in Pinescript. That's great. Okay. Alright, so now that we're on the TradingView platform, we're seeing the daily chart for Tesla. You can see I don't have any indicators on there. You guys know that I usually just use the volume indicator and Vwap indicator. So for today's demo, we're gonna use Vwap as the basis for ChatGPT to create our trading strategy. So let's go to indicators here, and you're gonna type in Vwap. So I usually go to the community section. I'm gonna use this one, Vwap with period. So I'm gonna put this on my chart right now, and I'm gonna go in and adjust the period to 30. I'm gonna change the color and the line style. Okay, so you can see this is Vwap on the daily chart. So what I'm gonna do now is to go over here and click the settings here and to get the source code for this script. Source code over here for Vwap. So this is it. So what I'm gonna do now is to select everything and copy it and give it to ChatGPT. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna paste it here and see if the bot recognizes it. Okay, so you can see that ChatGPT recognizes that this is a Pinescript code for Vwap. And by the way, you can do this with any indicator that you prefer to use. For this demo, I'm just gonna use Vwap to keep it very simple and show you guys how you can do this. So now I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to create entries and exits and essentially a strategy using Vwap and the source code I just gave it. So use the code provided, create a strategy in Pinescript to buy when the price crosses over Vwap and short when the price crosses below Vwap. And let's see what it does. All right. Whoa. This is an example strategy code in Pinescript that buys when the price crosses over Vwap and shorts when the price crosses below Vwap. This is too cool. This is actually really fun, but at the same time a little bit scary, if you know what I mean. So you can see that this is what it gave us. So for us, let's see, just copy code here and let's see what we get on TradingView. So going back to our TradingView platform, let's make a test copy, test 1 of here. So we're gonna make a test copy. So we're gonna delete everything and post it. Remember the period, I'm gonna change it to 30. All right, let's see if this works. So remember, we're still in our Pine editor. This is where you kind of paste the code that ChatGPT gave you. And we're gonna save it, and we're gonna add it to chart and see if it works. All right, it actually worked. Oh, I didn't think it would actually work that perfectly. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it did. You can see on the charts here, using the Vwap indicator, ChatGPT created a lot of entries and exits. Let's see. You can see it bought shorted when the stock crosses below Vwap and bought when the stock crosses over. Okay. And same thing here. You can see a bunch of entries and exits here because Tesla was consolidating around the Vwap area a lot. All right. From appearance, it looks like, you know, at least it created some sort of strategy. You can see bought the stock here, shorted it here. It's probably not perfect, but let's see how it did. So this is Pine Editor. This is where we were earlier. Now we're gonna go to Strategy Tester, and this is where you can see an overview of how the bot did. So you can see that the bot overall net profit $384. All right, that's after closing 300 trades. Percentage profitable, so it has a win rate of only 28%. Remember, this is like going back in time and to show and backtest these, so it's probably not perfect. Profit factor 1.77. So for every dollar it risked for potential loss, it made $1.77. Max drawdown 114. All right. You can also go to performance summary and see like all the profits, gross profits, etc. If you go to the settings here, you can see that we're trading with $100,000 to backtest this as an initial capital. Base currency, I'm going to change it to US dollars to give us a good idea. List of trades, you can see all the different trades that ChatGPT did. You can see when it made money, it made $147. When it lost money, it lost like $9, $18. All right, $52 profit, $5 loss. All right. Oh, this bot is pretty smart. What the f***? Oh, even I'm scared. It's actually pretty good that the first attempt it did this. Okay. Wow, I'm actually genuinely impressed by this performance. So you can see, even with, you know, only 28% win rate, the bot is, you know, technically profitable. But if you count in like commissions and stuff like that, it's not going to be profitable. But this is a very good start. So we're back on the ChatGPT website. So I'm gonna tell it to modify the script so it can be more efficient and generate more profits. But before we do so, if you've been enjoying the video so far and following along, please remember to drop a like and subscribe. There's gonna be more videos like this in the future. So now we're back on ChatGPT. I'm gonna tell it to modify the previous script and sell the long when position value has increased 3%. 3% long position. All right, let's see what it does. Okay, here's a modified version of the previous script that sells the long position when it has increased 3%. Let's see what's gonna do. This is so scary, honestly. AI is gonna take over the world. Okay, copy code. So let's go back to TradingView. So if we go to Pine Editor again, so let's see. So input, I'm gonna put 30 again. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna save it, add it to chart. So I think, okay, this is interesting. With the modifications we did, it's more profitable now at 49% win rate. But now the net profit has dropped to like $121. I'm not quite sure why. So, okay, so it bought the stock and closed the entries. I think there's no more short positions. I think that might be why. If we go to list of trades, yeah, you can see, okay, the bot actually took out all the short sells. So now all the orders are buy, so they're all entry longs. So in the previous version, we told the stock to go long when the price crosses over Vwap and short when it crosses under. I think in this second version, it got rid of all the short positions. So that's not what I want. So I want to both go long, take profit, and short and take profit. But it's good to know that, if we're just trading on the long side, the profitability has now increased by a lot. Went from 28% to now almost 50%. But, max drawdown, it's good now. Now you're only losing $61 and you're profiting overall $121. So I think what I'm gonna do is to go back here. This is where you get the buy and the sell short. I'm gonna tell it to, actually I'm gonna type the code it just did. Use this code to create, actually modify this script. So I have to really think about how I'm gonna ask the bot to do this thing. So you sell the long when position increased 3% and you close the short when position also increased 3%. Now let's see if this is gonna work. This is too much fun. But obviously right now, with all so much trading, I only made like $120. That's not gonna work. And this is trading with $100,000 capital. But I think we can modify it to make it even more efficient and make more money. Oh my god, this is a long code. Okay, let's try. So we're back here, remove everything. Okay, so let's see. Save, add to chart. Ooh, let's see, what did it do? Okay, I see long entries and I also see short sells. And I see short selling and closing the short entry. Okay, now let's see how it did. Okay, I think we just made it worse. It's now overall net negative of $41. Max drawdown has now increased, and it's not more profitable. Okay, that strategy wasn't profitable. Can you modify the strategy to be more profitable? Let's see if it can do that. Okay, let's try this. It's gonna work. Oh, error. Syntax error at input or. So obviously I have no idea what this coding error means, but don't worry, my own little brother is a software engineer working at, is it still called Fan? He has to know how to fix this. Hey, do you know Pinescript? I don't know how to fix this error.
A few moments later.
He replies, what the hell is Pinescript? No idea. He's supposed to be an engineer working at Fan. Alright, well, I guess we had to figure this out on our own. So we're now back to the original strategy, the first one we did, and that's been so far the most profitable one. You can see that's the one that made us $300. And now I'm gonna see if increasing the Vwap period is gonna change anything. Another cool thing using the strategy tester on TradingView is that you can see that you get different results using different time periods. So earlier we were looking at year to date. You will make around $235 using this strategy, right? Because you can see Tesla stock crossed over Vwap early on this year, and since then the stock is still long without taking any profit. But if you change it to like 6 months, you know, your profitability really changes to win rate is a lot lower, but then you're making a net profit of $700. This is very interesting. If you go to 3 months, right, the stock also net profit. 1 month, if you do 1 month, it's now a lot lower. So you can like play around with these different time frames and see different results. So I think it's pretty clear that at least with this simple Vwap trading strategy, it's only most effective and the most profitable on the long side when the overall market has been uptrending. So that's why year to date, right, this is working so well because Tesla finally crossed over Vwap. So now I'm gonna go in and ask ChatGPT to really modify the script so it takes profit at 3% and to reduce and stop out of the position at 1% stop loss. Reminder that if you want to try this out for yourself, you can check out TradingView, the free charting platform, in the link down below, as well as ChatGPT. These platforms are both free to try. So I'm gonna use this script as a basis. Again, so I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to have a stop loss of 1% and to take profits at 3%, and let's see how it performs. Can you modify the strategy so it stops out with decrease of 1% value and take an exit position when it increases 3%? Certainly. Wow, so nice. You know, this is honestly very scary because I think since the last, yesterday and today, I've been talking to the bot. It's been learning how I'm asking the questions and exactly what I want. Yesterday when I was testing out this trading bot, I got tons of errors. And I just kept on asking various questions to modify it. So this AI thing is honestly kind of scary. All right, so let's try this out. We're gonna copy this code, go back to Pine Editor on TradingView, and I'm gonna paste it and see if everything's right. I'm gonna make the period 30 again. Yeah, I mean, the profitability, it's still profitable, but the net profit is now only $48. You can try this out on other stocks. Like if we try this on something like, let's say, Nvidia, you're gonna get very different results, as you can see. So if we go to the list of trades, yeah, and you can see the stop losses are not perfect. Yeah, a lot of the stop loss is at 10%, which is not what we want. So I think the bot is unable to execute the stop loss at 1% with the overnight gap downs. That's why. You know, obviously this still requires a lot of tweaking. We can also try this on the intraday chart and see if it's gonna work out a little bit better. So if we go to the intraday chart of, let's say, Nvidia. So I think on the intraday chart, it's at least able to execute the stop losses a little bit better. As you can see, we still don't have the perfect strategy with this AI trading bot, but with the help of ChatGPT, I think we're getting somewhere. So at least with the current iteration we have, it's still not that profitable. The profit percentage has dropped down to 29%. Earlier, the best we had was around 49%. Net profit, only $41. That's not a lot. I think it still needs a lot of tweaking. Now, after trying out so many iterations of ChatGPT's trading bot strategy and letting it trade with $100,000 to test the strategies and see all the various results, honestly, I'm not that impressed, especially with the lack of risk management and the very, very low win rate. That part of the strategy still needs a lot of work to make sure that the losses are smaller than the wins. Right now, they're about 1 to 1. And as you can see from the video, ChatGPT still requires some very specific instructions and guidelines when you're asking them questions. You have to be very direct and as specific as possible with your instructions. So I think part of using ChatGPT to create trading bot is to learning how to ask very specific questions, especially when you have very specific indicators and results that you're looking for. As you already know, I'm a grandma. I know nothing about coding, but I'm sure if we really went in and spent a little bit more time tweaking the bot, we can make it to improve the win rate and the overall net profit with even more specific guidelines and parameters. So let me know if you want to see me actually go in and tweak the bot even more and give it real money to test out this AI trading strategy. Just comment AI down below. Special shout out to these YouTubers and their videos using ChatGPT to create these trading bots. Also, let me know what do you think about these AI trading, and are you impressed with the results at least so far today? And what would you do to tweak the bots and to make it even more profitable in our future videos? Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I'm the Humble Trader, and I'll see you guys next time.